Good evening, all. Welcome back with the rest of the puzzles in additional of the Saturday edition. Yes, Saturday, April the 8th, 2023. It's today the first Sunday. Easter Sunday, yes. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. Tomorrow, the second Easter day, there's no newspaper, so I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Friday. But let me start with this one. This one will be number 6251. 6251. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed letters, and the letters that I can use are unique letters: the I, the L, the B, the R, the E, the K, the G, the U, and the T. And the goal is to solve this word. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this word, I will translate this in English. Alright? And for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. A little bit more than with the digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. K. Yeah. We have a pair, the L and the K in the last column, the L and the K in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the L and K goes in those two boxes. Yeah. BB, I, and the R. Well, three missing letters now in this big square. Those missing letters are: the R is missing, the B is missing, RB, and the U is missing. Yeah. We see our R and a B in this row, so no R and a B in this box. The R and the B goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter U. Alright. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the B. We have a B in this column, so no B in these two boxes here. B in this row, no B in those two boxes. So one box left for the B in this big square. Should be there. L in this row, L in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the L should be there. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the R. We have an R in the third column, no R in these two boxes, so one box left for the R in this big square. Should be there. So the E is missing here in this big square, the E. And K is missing. We have a K in the middle row, so no K there. K should be here. And the E goes there. BB. BBB. EE. GG. K. Alright, the G. You need the G. Yeah, five missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the G. We have a G in this row, so no G in these three boxes. Here, G in this column, no G in those two boxes. So one box left for the G in this big square should be there. four missing letters now in this big square. One of the missing letters, the I. We have I in this row, no I in these. A 3 box, so 1 box left for the I in this big square should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this row. For letters, E is missing, and the U is missing. We have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here, and the U goes there. So we have a U in this column, U in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the U should be there. So the R and the B are missing here. Well, here are 3 missing letters. E is missing, U is missing, and a K is missing. U, E, K. Okay. G, B, K, T. Okay. E is missing here. T. G. No G. T, the R, the E. Need an I here. I. We have I in the first column, no I in these 2 boxes. Here and I in this row, no I in those 2 boxes. So the I in this big square could be here, could be there. Need an I here. I. No R. K. No L here. T. Come on. Need an I in this column. 3 missing letters. Need an I. Second column. Here can be I because we have I in this row, so no I there. So the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. You see an I in the third row, no I there. So this box should be definitely an I. 2 missing letters now. The B is missing and the L is missing. Neither L or neither B. Well, we have a B in this column, third column, B in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the B should be there. So this box, 1 letter is missing in the second row, second column should be the L. So the L should be there. L. U is missing. And U is missing. And the G is missing. Well, we have a U here. U could be here. U could be there. The G is missing. G could be everywhere. G, okay. B. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the B and T. We have B and T in this row, so no B and T in these 2 boxes. The B and T could be here or there as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, are the letters. R is missing and the G is missing. R and the G. Alright, 9 minutes already passed. So here also the R and the B are missing here. The U, the E, and the K. U, E, K. The other 3 should be the R, B, and the T is missing. Here T or there T. RBT, RBT. So 2 missing letters in the middle row for the letters. I is missing. We have an I in this column, no I there, so the I should be here. 1 letter is missing in the middle row for the letter. G is missing. Yeah, the G. Here we have a B and a G, R and a G. We have a G now in this column, no G there. G should be here. And R goes there. Okay. R and a B. R and a B. B and a T. 2 missing letters now. Here we have the L and a K. This should be B and a T. So the R should be here. R, T and R. Okay. Alright. Here should be the E. E, 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 E. B, the L, the T. Okay. Need a K here. G, G, here need a G. Here can be a G because we have a G in the 3rd row. G, G, here could be the G, could be the G. The B, same. B in this column, B in that column, so the column between. Middle column, there only 3 places left for the B. Should be here, here, or there. We see a B in the 3rd row, no B there. B could be here, could be there. B, B, okay. I need an I here. Here. I in this row, I in the 3rd row, so the row between. The 2nd row, there only 3 places left for the I. Should be here, here, or there. We see an I in this column, no I there. So the I could be here, could be there. Okay, the T, E. B, E, G in this row. G in the row below. So last row, there are only 2 places left for the G. Could be here, could be there. Well, we have here 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the letters is missing letters I. We have an I in this column, 1st column, so no I in these 3 boxes. Here an I in this row, so no I in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the I should be there. And I've eliminated the G, so the G goes here. So now we have 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a G. We have a G in the 1st column, so no G in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the G should be there. So the U and the L are missing here. U and L. G, G. Yeah. We have a G in this row, so this box can be G anymore. That box should be G. And if I eliminate the I, so the I goes here. And I've eliminated the B, so the B goes here. Okay. B and a T, we have a B now in the 1st row, so no B there. B should be here. And the T goes there. B and a T here. We have a T now, so this box should be a B. So to the missing letters, the R and the T. We have a T in this column, no T there. T should be here, and the R goes there. R and the B, we have an R in this column, no R there. R should be here, and the B goes there. Almost finished, almost finished. 2 missing letters, the L and the K. 3 missing letters here in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K in this column, no K there. K could be here, could be there. 1 letter is missing in this column for letter. U is missing. So the K and the T are missing here. We have a T in this row, no T there. T should be here, and a K goes there. L and a K, we have a K now in this row, no K there. K should be here, and the L should be there. Solution in 15 minutes. Terugblik. In English, review. Okay, review. Let me continue. So 2 missing letters in this row for letters E and I is missing here. Need an I. We have an I in this middle column, no I there. I should be here and the E goes there. So 2 missing letters in this row for the letters R is missing. And a K is missing. R and a K. Okay. Okay. U-E-K. U-E-E-K. I, the B, the G, the E. 2 missing letters in the first row for letters. U is missing. And the R is missing. U and R. We have an R in this column. No R there. R should be here. And the U goes there. Here we have the U and the L. We have a U in this big square, so no U there. U should be here. And the L goes there. So 1 missing letter in this big square for letter L. We have an L in this column, L in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the L should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for the letter U is missing. And the T is missing. U and the T. We have a U in this column, no U there. U should be here, and the T goes there. T in this column, T in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the T should be here. So 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters E is missing. And a K is missing. E and a K. We have an E in the middle column, no E there. E should be here. And the K goes there, E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the E should be there. R and a K. We have an R now in this column, no R there. R should be here, and a K goes there. So the final 2 letters in this big square for letters U and a K. U and a K. We have a K in the middle column, no K there. K should be here, and the U goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.